Hello everyone, welcome to Talkative Primates. I'm Aryan Agarwal and he's Shrey Agarwal. And today we're going to talk about the law of attraction, manifestation, auras, and all this pseudoscience stuff. So, bro, what do you think about it?
Uh, I don't think law of attraction works that much in our real life,
Hmm.
but it is catered in such a way that we assume to treat it as it is real in some sense.
Yeah,
Like it is depicted in some books, like Law of Attraction also. It is the Law of Attraction above. The Secret, in which the Law of Attraction is depicted. I don't think it exists in our real life, exactly, to be precise.
the problem is so many YouTubers are making videos on it and they're saying that they
Right,
are
right,
successful because of that law of attraction. So,
right.
everyone believes that. And it's very
Yes,
hard to not believe it because they're
yes,
giving such a story that
right.
everything that they have achieved in
Yes,
their
yes,
life
yes.
is because of that.
In fact, in book Secret, there are also interviews of people who are explaining how it works and science behind it. And that is also pseudoscience. And they relate with gravitation. Like the law of gravitation works every time when we are aware or not in sport. In that way, law of attraction also works in our life.
Secret is the worst book according to me. It's a very stupid book. I never liked it.
Yes, yes, yes. It tells you to focus on those things and actually not working on them. I
Yeah,
don't know how that will bring you results in your life, basically. Because people use that tool, whoa, not that right way. They're using it wrongly, basically. That
if
tool,
you
the law of
want it to
attraction.
work, you first have to believe that. That's
Yes,
obvious.
exactly.
That it's a correct
Exactly.
statement that
Right.
you have to believe whatever you want to do. But you also have to
Yes, yes.
nothing
Do
will
that
happen
stuff.
after believing.
Exactly. Right, right. But law of attraction, picturize yourself that after you visualize something,
It will happen.
I think you spread some frequencies and
Yeah,
that wavelength
vibration.
matches. Yes, and things started happen to you. I don't think that that exists in some sense,
With that, you have to
the way
match
it is treated.
the vibrating frequency of your body with that thing you want.
Right, right, right. With
And
that
when
thing,
that thing
exactly.
matches, when the
By
frequency
just
matches,
visualizing it, by just thinking it, you are
yeah,
just
just thinking.
you are bringing clarity to your mind. That's it. By with the help of law of attraction, you bring some sense of clarity that you have to go
Yeah,
to that place.
but nothing will happen
But you have,
unless you
yes,
do it.
nothing will happen exactly unless you work on it. Exactly. And you will not get that motivated, or you will start working on it. You have to bear pain also in that
Yeah,
process. It is not that easy.
it's
That
good to
just
have a
visualizing,
clear picture of it, but
yes,
working is
but
more
not in
important.
sense of law of attraction. The way it is catered,
Yeah,
like
that's
the
the point.
placebo effect. Yes, and it
People
is
say it's
mainstreaming with
simple
the
to
name of
decide.
manifestation.
If I give you plain water and tell you it's a
Hmm.
medicine, and you will take it, believing that it's a
Yes,
medicine,
yes, yes. That's the placebo effect. That's the
and it's
placebo
happened
effect.
many times.
Yes, yes. That's a different thing, but I don't think law of attraction works here also in every sense. It
No,
is
that
just a
doesn't work at
small
all.
part. Yes, it does not work in that much. And not
Everyone,
only that, I think, hmm,
go on, go on.
and not only that, and many books also convey this point in Think and Grow Rich, The Power, The Secret, and many books try to project those things. Like the book Alchemist also talks about law of attraction only.
Hmm.
That if you think of it, then it will become your part of life or in any sense. But I
It
don't think it is that great concept
it doesn't tell you to
to
work.
rely
It
upon.
tells you to imagine,
Yes,
and nothing
to
will happen.
imagine only.
Imagining.
Exactly,
It's happening
exactly. And
only.
yes, only some chemicals get released in your body and you feel good.
Yeah,
That's it for a short time.
and
It will not give you,
things get worse when you believed with all your heart that it will happen, and you didn't do
yes,
anything at all, and it doesn't work out. The thing that you
yes,
wanted didn't work out as you wanted, and then you feel bad.
yes, yes,
Then you get
yeah.
depressed, sad, and then you say bad things about it that this thing
And
doesn't.
its great byproduct is maladaptive daydreaming. If
Yeah,
you are not doing stuff, then you rely on law of attraction only to get neurochemicals, dopamine, and many other hormones,
your
so
body
that you are
demands
happy at that
something else.
situation. And when you are
This
not
is
working
boring.
actually for that thing. Right. You are borrowing from future.
And you will
Exactly, in
not enjoy
present.
that thing in future when you achieve that thing because you borrowed everything.
Right. Hmm. Exactly. In the same sense, like maladaptive daydreaming, we are actually bringing the dopamine and those hormones
In
in our
advance.
present situation so that we can feel good about that by just actually visualizing.
Do
And not
nothing.
only that, yes, and also we seek for other sources of that law of attraction in some sense, like we see motivation videos and
Yeah.
many other stuff in Instagram, so that we think we are surrounded by it and we are also thinking of it basically.
Yeah, it is said that
We see expensive,
to
those expensive cars, those expensive clothes.
get the full benefits of law of manifestation, you have to surround
Right.
yourself with the thing that you want. So
Yes. Right.
that is posted on your wall, search it everywhere,
Yes. We are
follow
so
those
that we are
pages
constantly
that
bombarded
show
by it.
that thing.
Yes. By different processes, affirmation and visualization and many things surrounding that only, the
But
concept.
the problem is that people forget to do something. They're just
Yes,
so
exactly.
involved in this
They
process,
are just
just
affirmating.
thinking.
Yes.
They stop working.
Right. Hmm.
And that's the main thing. You have to work to achieve something.
Yes. It works. It gives you just a picture of your future self so
Yeah,
that you can work upon that, not just visualize of your future self only in that current situation. We are not saying it is bad, but not working for it is only relying on it basically. It is bad then.
just giving you some clarity of the thing
Yes.
that you want. But you will achieve
Yes,
it
yes.
only by working.
But it's maybe derived due to some other thing, like um, somebody have thought of something and that happened. There
Yeah,
might be another reason for that happening. The cause and effect, the process we of say of that basically. Might be the person thinking of something and it happened to
hmm.
him. So he stated that law of attraction works for him.
Correlation does not mean causation.
Yes. The causality bias basically.
Hmm.
He thinks that it happened due to this. And then it became transfer from people to people and then it became mainstream and the basic part got overshadowed basically.
Hmm.
People forget to basically put effort on that and took the main part. That is the law of attraction. That is thinking and visualizing only.
So I
They
saw
forget
some
they need
crypto
to put
YouTubers.
effort also.
They're
Hmm.
millionaires, and they were
Huh.
telling that how they became millionaires, crypto millionaires.
Hmm.
So it is
Right.
told that they achieved everything just because of this law. They had a clear
Oh,
image. They thought that they want this. They want to become millionaire in 3 years, and
okay.
they became millionaires. And
Okay. So they cater. They are basically faking it. They're
just
not telling you actual
because
thing
people love this
behind
stuff,
that. Actually. Yes, actually.
because they don't have to do anything. You're getting
Yes.
the
Then
dopamine
only they will
without
see that.
having
Right,
made any
right,
effort.
right. Then
And
people will also start imagining things,
yeah,
basically. But things get worse when you imagine only and do not do any effort.
yeah.
That is the thing maladaptive daydreaming works. So many a times law of attraction is criticized also by
Hmm.
some people who think that it not actually works just by thinking the things will not come in place and will work in that sense. So I think law of attraction is basically a pseudo concept. Until you work on something, you will not get any result. So I think you should not rely on that much on law of attraction basically and try to put effort yourself. And thanks for watching.